Hello, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor. I want to talk to you about indicators and setups and pretty much all these algorithmic issues that everyone seems to be searching for. The reality is like this: I don't care which platform you use. I mean, one of them that I use and I like very much is Metastock, but you can go through and there's zillions and zillions of different basically all kinds of setups and indicators. I mean, you just go down this long list of them and all these ideas. And I'm not saying any which one is good or which one is bad or any of it, but I mean, what is really the reality here? It seems that everyone's chasing these, let's say, magical indicators or systems, or they think they buy a system they're going to make money. But it's not the reality, really, because if it was that easy, everybody would be rich. That's what one of the, actually one of my colleagues who reviewed my book, that's what he said. So what I really want to talk to you about is having the mental fortitude and the belief in trading that system that makes sense. Because what's going to happen, again, I don't care which system, I mean, I'm not even showing you which one this is you can see this system pretty much got chopped around. Had a loss, had another little loss, and then you had a nice trade, a little loss. The idea of when you're trading, and especially when you're trend following, because that's what again, I've been doing it for 18 years, and what I believe, and it's what made me money over the years, is that you have to be consistent. You have to find an idea that makes sense to you, that's logical, that you can follow. What does it mean, follow? That you have the patience to get through one of these ugly, choppy periods, that you don't make money and you have one loss after the next, another loss, well, this one was a slight profit, and the fact is you don't quit and give up. And again, what I've seen repeatedly is investors that are beginning, and even more successful investors that have been around for a while, they jump around. They're looking for this indicator, this magical system, and more complicated the better. Well, you know what, in the reality, in the real world with trading, which is very difficult, the reality is simple and robust work. It's not my magic words. Simple idea that I base it on is Richard Donchian. He has been trading, or he had been trading, I mean, he passed away, but he was trading into his 90s, and he traded for something like 50 years. His idea was you buy the X period high, or you sell the Y period low. That's it. And he ended up losing all his money in the Great Depression to end up having a tremendous amount of money just by maintaining and trading this methodology. But it wasn't just the system or the secret sauce, as I call it, or as one of these indicators, let's say. The difference with him is he was able to follow it. He believed in it. And the same thing that I talk about also, one of the most successful investors when I first started, and still is, in my opinion, was a dentist. He basically had the mental fortitude as a marathon runner to get through all the hardships of trading. I don't care what kind of system you're going to trade. You're going to have drawdowns. You're going to have periods that you're not going to make money. And the dentist and Richard Donchian, and I'll add myself to that group. It's like I feel like we're marathon runners, that we can get through the hardships. We continue when others give up. And that's what I want to instill in you. I want to help you learn how to be a trend follower. I want to give you exactly what the methodologies I use. They're not rocket science. They're not the Holy Grail, because that doesn't exist. They're basically a trend breakout idea with a lot of filters to try to mitigate the risk. And I'm putting parentheses around try, because the only thing that's certain is uncertainty. And then the other is, it's called a trend retracement, that you're in a trend, it pulls back, and then you're trying to jump back on board with it. Very simple, very easy, and that's what it's all about. But don't confuse simple with not possibly being profitable. And it isn't that you're just going to go and get this magic indicator from me and you're gone. The idea, what you're going to get is all the ideas to put the whole trading package together. You're going to learn what to expect. Again, jumping back to Metastock, you're going to get to know and believe that you're going to go through trades that just don't work. And that's okay, because that's the reality. And you're mentally prepared for those kind of trades. And they're going to happen. And you'll take pieces out of them. I mean, look at this choppy period. But this isn't my system. This is just as an example to show you. And really to give you the full package of what to expect. You'll have what to trade, how much to trade, when to get out with a profit, when to get out with a loss. Again, nothing is sugar-coated. And hopefully at the end of this that you're going to be able to learn how to trade for a living like I do. I'm going to be having a webinar with Metastock this coming Tuesday, March 13th. I invite you to come. And if you have any questions, you can email me at andrew@trendfollowingmentor.com. I'm here to help you. I want to, as I wrote here, down here somewhere, it's basically, it's what my vision and my goal is, to help traders like you to achieve your trading goals. I had people help me. I'm here to help you. Thank you very much. This is Andrew from trendfollowingmentor.com.